Hello and good afternoon, friends. In previous video lecture, I've explained the Rankine's method, the long chord method, but in today's lecture, I'm going to explain the chord produce method. In this method, lots of students found difficulties, and they were not be they were not able to solve the numerical properly. So I thought I should give some video lecture on that topic also. So the topic of the method is offset from chord produce method. Offsets are perpendicular, and from where we have to set it, we have to set it from the chord produce. So I'll show you one diagram. So this is the typical diagram of curve AB, BC. B point of the point is a intersection, T1 is a first tangent point. So what how this method works, we have to place the first chord here, and at the end of the chord we have to place our first offset, that is O1. So this is first chord, this is first offset. So how the title justifies, setting out simple circular curve by taking offsets from chord produce method. We are producing the chord and we are producing the offsets also. So the method is justified. Again, this is second chord, this is second offset, this is third chord, third offset. Likewise, we set the chord offset, and this is our required curve. Okay, the offset from chord produce method. So for solving the numerical, we must understand and memorize the formulas. The formula for first offset is b1 square upon 2r. These formulas have been derived by the derivation, which I will explain in further video, but concentrate on the numerical right now. So formula for first offset is b1 square upon 2r. So O1 is first offset and B1 is the initial chord or first chord, and we will see how to calculate the chord. The formula for second offset is B1 bracket, inside the bracket, B1 plus B2 divided by 2R. The formula for first offset, second offset and third offset are different. Okay, so the formula for third offset is B3 square upon R. Same for the offset for O4, B4 square upon R. And the formula for last offset, which is Bn, inside the bracket, Bn minus 1 plus Bn divided by 2r. So Bn is a last chord, Bn minus 1 is a second last chord, or we can say as a last full chord, and again Bn is a last chord divided by 2 into radius. Okay, and these are some mandatory formula in which students always get confused. So write it down or take a screenshot of the video. Chain edge of first tangent point is equals to chain edge at intersection point. Intersection point is a B point, which minus tangent line, and in numerical they have already always mentioned the chain edge at intersection point. So chain edge at B minus tangent line. The formula for tangent line is 2r sine phi by 2. Okay, so sorry 2r r tan theta by 2. The formula for tangent line. Chain edge of second tangent point is chain edge of first tangent point plus curve length phi upon 180. Length of initial subchord, which you found very complicated while solving the numerical, students. So the formula for length of initial chord is round up chain edge of first tangent point. Round up means if answer comes 56.7, so you have to assume it as a 57. Round it up. You have to make it on a specific number, specific digit figure, not in point. So the formula is round up change of first tangent point or round up change of T1 minus exact change of T1 or exact change of first tangent point. Okay. Next formula is number of full chord. So lots of students face the question, how many full chords we should assume. So the answer is don't make it complicated. Just take a curve length and divide it by given peg interval or the peg interval you have assumed. So in most of the numericals they mention the peg interval. So the formula is curve length divided by peg interval, and you have to round down this answer. Round down the means if answer come as a 5.6, so you have to go for lower side. You have to assume it as a 5. If answer comes 7.8, then you have to assume it as a 7. You don't have to go for higher side. Yeah, this won't work properly if you go down higher side. So round it down. Okay. Next formula is chain edge covered. Round up change of first tangent point plus inside the bracket peg interval into number of full chord. Peg interval they always give in numerical, and number of full chord we have calculated from this formula. Length of final subchord is equals to exact change of second tangent point minus chain edge covered. Okay, so these are formula which we are going to use in the numerical solving. So this is the numerical. So numerical says that two tangents intersect at a chain edge of 1000 meter. Let us say tangent AB, tangent BC intersect at point B and at a chain edge of 1000 meter. The deflection angle being 30 degree, phi is 30 degree. Calculate all the necessary data for setting out a circular curve of radius 200 meter by method of offset from chord produce method. So here the given radius is 200 meter and we have to use chord produce method for solving the numerical. And peg interval, as I already said, they always give the peg interval. Peg interval is 20 meter. Okay, so the solution step, first step is given data. So they have written given data, phi 30 degree, radius 200 meter, chain edge of intersection point or say B point is 1000 meter, and number of full chords are full chord length is 20 meter. So first formula, tangent length r tan phi by 2. We have r, we have phi, we have calculated the length. Next is curve length. Curve length formula is pi r, phi upon 180. We have pi, we have radius, we have phi, and the answer is 104.72. Chain edge of first tangent point, as we said, the formula for chain edge of first tangent point is chain edge at intersection point, which is 1000 given, minus tangent length. Tangent length is 53.58. So we have got the chain edge of first tangent point. Chain edge of second tangent point, so the formula is chain edge of first tangent point, this 946.42, plus curve length 104.72. Okay, length of initial subchord, round up chain edge of T1. So chain edge of T1, come here, where is the chain edge of T1? Sorry, is 946.42, round up chain edge of T1. So this becomes 950. If the answer is 946.42, we have to round it up, not round down. So round up of 946.42 becomes 950 minus exact chain edge, which is 9.46.42. Answer becomes 3.58. So this is our B1. And number of full chords, as they have given the peg interval. So what we have to do, we have to divide the curve length. The curve length is 104.72 with, I'll show you. So curve length is 104.72. If we divide it by 20, then answer comes 5 point something. So again, as I said earlier, we have to for number of full chord, we have to round down the answer. So we'll take 5 as a number of full chords. The number of full chords are 5. So number of chords we have got up till now. First is initial chord. Number of full chords are 5, and this one is a final subchord. So total chords are 7. Next beat, chain edge covered. As we have discussed, chain edge covered. Round up chain edge of T1 plus peg interval into number of full chord that we have written here, and the answer becomes 1050.5. And the formula for final subchord is exact chain edge of second tangent point minus chain edge covered. So the answer becomes 1.14. So the B1 is 3.58. We have to calculate the offset for B1. B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. These 5 chords are 20. The length of this 5 chord is 20 meter, and the length of final subchord is 1.17 meter. So likewise, we have calculated the B1 by formula. Sorry, O1 by formula B1 square upon 2R. Similarly, O2 as per formula. Similarly, O3, O4, O5, O6 by this formula. And the last offset, that is O7, by formula we have calculated it. Okay, so this is simple. And after finishing the numerical, you have to draw the diagram. And in the diagram, you have to mention this length as a B1, this is O1, this length as B2, this as O2, this length as B3, this offset as O4. So these are chords. This is chord, 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 and this is offset, offset, offset. You have to finish it. So this is the simplest procedure for solving the chord produced numerical. Still, if you find any doubt or if you any difficulties, please post it on Classroom. I'll solve